Hi guys! Welcome to another episode in Romania.
In today's video, we check in Radzor Hotel in Râșnov, Brașov. Stay tuned as we give you a short room tour of our accommodation. We hope you'll enjoy this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello and welcome to Râșnov.
No.
We are now at Radzor Hotel.
No, Sati.
We are now at Radzor Hotel.
Sati.
Elijah is full of chocolate on the mouth. He was caught eating chocolate. And we check in here for a night. And we're gonna visit the Dino Park and the Râșnov Citadel. So let us give you a short room tour of our room. The best thing about this room is the view, but we'll get to that in a second. First, as you enter, you have a bathroom. Then you also have a cabinet here for clothes. Nothing. Look, there is a safe. Ooh. And then you have a fridge down here where there are drinks, but they are not included, so you have to pay for it. Okay, for a fee. Then we have a TV here, a full desk here with a chair, and another table here with another chair. Okay, then we have the bed here. It's like a big bed, can fit 2 adults and 1 child. We have some cabinets on the side with the phone, and we have 2 windows. One is there, one is here, and there's another window with a very beautiful view of the Râșnov Citadel. Look at that, like this. Wow, look at that view. That's the citadel there on top. Check it out. And we are here at the 2nd floor. This hotel has 1, 2, 3 floors. There are some tables down there where you can have tea and coffee, and you get this incredible view. So this is a short room tour of the Radzor Hotel here in Râșnov, and we will be resting now a bit, and tomorrow morning we will probably go first to the Râșnov Citadel and then to the Dino Park, or either way around, and we will show you that as well. And we just check out of the hotel, and we are making our way to the Dino Park. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like, and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks, and see you on the next one.